Have you ever felt trapped in a reality that seems limited and inflexible, preventing you from achieving your true desires and aspirations? This is a problem that most of humanity suffers from, not realizing their potential and ability to shape the world around them. There is an invisible force around us, a living aura that contains the key to our spiritual and personal growth. This energy field is not just an esoteric concept, it is a fundamental part of our essence. By mastering it, we unlock deep intuitive abilities that lead to a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Have you ever felt a strange energy around you that you couldn't explain? Have there been days when you felt depleted for no apparent reason or, conversely, when everything was going right? This subtle perception is related to the energy field that permeates all of existence. Manly P. Hall's teachings illuminate the profound connection between manipulating this field and the ability to influence our reality. Get ready for a transformational journey where we will learn how these techniques can influence not only individual reality, but also the reality of those around us. By mastering the art of manipulating subtle energies, an unlimited horizon of possibilities opens up before us. We can move beyond the illusions that limit us and discover our true potential as co-creators of our experience. Pythagoras, the famous Greek philosopher and mathematician, explored magnetism in depth. He believed that everything in the universe was interconnected through harmonious relationships that could be expressed mathematically, and that magnetism was one of the forces that demonstrated this universal interconnectedness. In the 17th century, through movements such as Rosenkreutzerism and Hermeticism, the spiritual concept of magnetism and energy manipulation was revived. The Rosenkreuzers, in particular, saw magnetism as the key to understanding the hidden mysteries of nature and the universe. They conducted rituals and studies whose purpose was not only to understand the magnetic forces of nature, but also to utilize these forces to achieve spiritual and physical transformation. The Rosenkreuzers believed that magnetism allowed man to not only gain a deeper understanding of the laws of the universe, but also to apply them to his own growth and development. Their rituals included meditations and ceremonies designed to attune with natural magnetic flows and enhance personal energy. These practices helped to strengthen the mind and body, promote healing and harmonize the inner state. In the late 18th century, Franz Anton Mesmer developed a theory he called animal magnetism, also known as mesmerism. Mesmer hypothesized that an invisible natural fluid, which he believed saturates the universe and living bodies, was responsible for the phenomenon of magnetism. He believed that an imbalance in this fluid could cause disease, and that proper manipulation could restore health. He developed techniques using magnetic passes that he believed could redirect or channel this fluid into beneficial currents for healing people. Mesmer believed that each person had an innate ability to influence this fluid and thus their own health and the health of those around them. His techniques included the use of hands and magnetic tools to concentrate and channel energy. These practices and theories had a significant impact on fields such as hypnosis and the study of altered states of consciousness, playing an important role in the development of medicine and psychology. Mesmerism has attracted the attention of many researchers and clinicians, contributing to new treatments and approaches to understanding the human psyche. The study of magnetism and its effects on humans continued to evolve, contributing to the formation of modern practices of alternative medicine and psychotherapy. Mesmer's theories and methods laid the foundation for further research in energy medicine and contributed to the development of the science of the influence of thoughts and emotions on physical health. Manly P. Hall, a profound explorer of esoteric and hidden aspects of human knowledge, has intensively studied the subject of energy manipulation. In his writings, Hall emphasized that subtle energies, often associated with spiritual and metaphysical forces, can be directed and shaped by human will and intention. He believed that the universe is permeated by a network of invisible energies linking all things. In his view, initiates or seekers of esoteric wisdom have the ability to manipulate these energies for various purposes, such as healing, personal transformation, and even influencing surrounding events. Hall argued that understanding and utilizing these energies requires not only intellectual knowledge, but also moral and spiritual development. He viewed the manipulation of these energies as a sacred art to be approached with respect and responsibility, often emphasizing the importance of aligning these practices with high ethical principles. His research refers us back to spiritual traditions that affirm the existence of an all-pervasive energy field, a concept that echoes many Eastern philosophies and meditative practices. Hall believed that this energy field is directly influenced by the human mind. The ability to interact with it is not just an innate skill of a select few, but a potential that each of us can awaken. He believed that by developing spiritual awareness and moral qualities, people can learn to channel and utilize these energies to make positive changes in their lives and the world around them. Thus, Hall saw energy manipulation not only as a tool for personal growth, but also as a means to achieve harmony and balance in the universe. He emphasized that true mastery of these forces is only possible with high moral standards and spiritual aspirations, making this practice accessible to all who are ready for such a path. Hall suggests that through knowledge and practice we can learn to shape this energy for our benefit and our environment. Understanding this raises the question, in the modern context, how can we apply these ideas to improve the quality of our lives? Hall believes that the key lies in harmonizing our mental state with the energetic frequencies around us, a concept that aligns with current research on the mind's influence on the body and environment. The techniques developed by Hall, which we will explore next, are based on the principles of meditation and creative visualization. They all aim to teach us how to align, regulate, and ultimately control our personal energy field. By understanding and practicing these techniques, we become the architects of our reality. Each step we take towards this understanding not only unlocks the mysteries of energy management, but connects us more deeply to the universe and its many mysteries. The practice begins with basic meditation techniques focused on visualizing energy. Hall teaches us to imagine energy as light or color emanating from the body, which can be shaped and directed with the mind. Breathing is another important component in this process. By learning to control our breathing, we can influence our physical and mental state, promoting a deeper connection with the energy field. Breathing should be slow and deep, maintaining a steady rhythm that naturally leads us to a relaxed state, receptive to positive thought changes. Hall emphasized that breathing serves as a means of clearing the energy field and preparing the ground for more effective energy manipulations. In this deep state of relaxation, our ability to receive the information we need to solve problems is unlimited. Doors are opened for a clearer perception of everyday situations and a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Hall further recommends using creative visualization to manage energy. He suggests visualizing positive images and thoughts, directing them to problem areas in our lives. These images can be glowing spheres, streams of light, or other symbols that help us visualize and channel energy. In this way, we can strengthen our mental and physical well-being, improve our relationships with others, and create a harmonious environment. Hall also focuses on the importance of moral and spiritual development in the process of learning these techniques. He believes that only by possessing high ethical principles and a desire for spiritual growth can we manipulate energies effectively and safely. This requires constant work on ourselves, self-improvement, and striving for harmony with the world around us. Thus, Hall's ideas on energy manipulation represent a holistic approach to improving the quality of life. They combine ancient esoteric knowledge with modern meditation and visualization practices, offering us tools for achieving personal and spiritual growth. By practicing these techniques, we become more aware, harmonious, and able to influence our reality and the world around us. Naturally, we can manipulate our energy field. Moving on to more advanced techniques, we enter the realm of energy manipulation for the purpose of healing. Hall argued that with a trained mind, one can not only improve one's health, but also project healing energy to help others. According to him, this energy transfer can take place either in person or at a distance, through interactions such as talking, hugging, shaking hands, sending a message, or making a phone call. Essentially, any type of human contact. This explains why we often feel depleted in the presence of some people and energized and happy in the presence of others. It's a universal law, energies always seek balance. People with negative vibrations draw energy from others to stabilize themselves. Realizing this is a huge step towards harnessing and maintaining our energy field at high and positive frequencies, as well as projecting energy to affect the environment. For example, we can clear a space of negative energies or energize the environment with positive vibrations, promoting an atmosphere of peace and harmony, simply by owning our vibrational state. We know that we can radiate this energy when we keep it in a stable state. This can be achieved by realizing our power. If we realize this ability, we can direct our attention to maintaining a high vibration by cultivating positive, joyful thoughts of gratitude, forgiveness, and celebration of life. Constant practice of these techniques not only strengthens our ability to manage energy, but also expands our perception of how our energies interact with the world. By mastering the techniques of mental control and energy field management, we open the door to a number of practical applications that can dramatically change the quality of our lives. The first and most obvious is to improve physical and mental health. Imagine being able to relieve stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of physical illness simply by using the power of your mind to adjust and harmonize your internal energies. Hall believed that being able to manage your energy field could not only improve your health, but also change your perception of life by attracting positive events and opportunities. One of the key aspects is working with the breath. Learning to control our breathing can have a significant impact on our physical and mental state, promoting a deeper connection with our energy field. Breathing should be slow and deep, maintaining a steady rhythm, which naturally leads us to a relaxed state, receptive to positive thought changes. Hall emphasized that breathing serves as a means of clearing the energy field and preparing the ground for more effective energy manipulations. Another important technique is creative visualization. It allows us to visualize energy as light or color emanating from the body, which can be shaped and directed with the mind. In this way, we can strengthen our mental and physical well-being, improve relationships with others, and create a harmonious environment. These practices promote an awareness of one's power and ability to influence the world around us. Hall also emphasized the importance of moral and spiritual development in the process of learning these techniques. He believed that only by possessing high ethical principles and a desire for spiritual growth can we manipulate energies effectively and safely. This requires constant work on ourselves, self-improvement, and striving for harmony with the world around us. Thus, Hall's ideas on energy manipulation represent a holistic approach to improving the quality of life. They combine ancient esoteric knowledge with modern meditation and visualization practices, offering us tools for achieving personal and spiritual growth. By practicing these techniques, we become more aware, harmonious, and able to influence our reality and the world around us. The benefits of energy management go beyond the individual to impact the collective. By learning to manage your energy field and emit positive vibrations, you can improve your environment, making it more conducive and harmonious for all. This is especially useful in conflict situations or when it is necessary to promote cooperation and the common good. Manly P. Hall's teachings on mental control of the energy field are not just esoteric theories, they have practical applications that can be integrated into our daily lives for significant personal and collective improvements. Modern science has just begun to explore these ancient concepts, showing us that the possibilities for expanding consciousness and human potential are far greater than we have imagined. Our reality is determined by how we feel about the facts of life. Someone who has positive thoughts simply has a different perspective than someone with negative thoughts. Consequently, their realities will be different. Does this make sense? Yes, it makes a lot of sense, and it can be discovered through practice. Start with something simple. Before you go to bed, use something to relax you. It could be music, nature sounds, continuous deep breathing, and visualizing your desired reality. Feel what your life would be like if you were in this reality. How would you feel? How would people treat you? Deeply feel this reality that already exists in your imagination. Do this with your eyes closed, and this feeling will anchor itself in your subconscious mind while you sleep. Then go back to sleep. Meditation can also help calm the mind and align our thoughts with our highest intentions. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Remember, the key is consistency. With each positive thought, visualization, and moment of inner peace, we powerfully shape our reality. Our positive vibrations spread like waves, affecting other people. So the next time you catch yourself having negative thoughts, remember that you have the power to change your reality with your magnetic field. Focus on what you want, fill your mind with possibilities, and prepare to be amazed at the incredible changes that will begin to occur in your life. Groundbreaking research in neuroscience has shown that the brain's plasticity allows neural networks to be rewired throughout our lives, paving the way for profound transformations in our patterns of thinking and behavior. This means that we are capable of changing not only our energy field, but also our thoughts and behaviors. There are even theories that there is a special area in the brain through which God communicates directly with us. This mysterious and little-studied area may hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the divine communication between the Creator and His creatures. In this way, the teachings of Manly P. Hall and modern scientific research give us powerful tools to improve our quality of life. By practicing meditation, visualization, and mental control techniques, we can not only improve our physical and mental health, but also have a positive impact on the world around us. By controlling our energy field, we become more harmonious and able to create the reality we want to live in. If this information was useful and made sense to you, please share your opinion in the comments.